Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. Ever wanted to build your own AI agent but didn't know where to start? Well, today's your lucky day. In just 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of building your very first AI agent. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's quickly define what an AI agent is. An AI agent is a program that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. Think of it as a digital assistant that can learn and adapt over time. From chatbots to recommendation systems, AI agents are everywhere, and today you're going to build one. First, you'll need the right tools. For this tutorial, we'll use Python and some popular AI libraries like TensorFlow and OpenAI's GPT. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert, I'll keep it simple. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download it from python.org. Once you have Python, install the necessary libraries using pip. Open your terminal and type pip install TensorFlow. Open your terminal and type pip install OpenAI. Step 1. Define the problem your AI agent will solve. For this example, let's build a simple chatbot that answers FAQs for a small business. Start by listing the questions your chatbot will answer. For example, what are your business hours? Where are you located? How can I contact support? Step 2. Train your AI model. We'll use OpenAI's GPT for this as it's pre-trained and easy to fine-tune. Here's a simple code snippet to get started. Import OpenAI.ap_key = your API key response = OpenAI.completion.create engine = text DaVinci 003 prompt = what are your business hours max_tokens = 50 print response.choices 0 text.strip. Replace your API key with your actual OpenAI API key. This code sends a prompt to the GPT model and prints the response. Step 3. Test your AI agent and refine it. Run your code and see how it responds. If the answers aren't perfect, tweak the prompts or add more training data. For example, if the chatbot doesn't understand a question, you can add more examples to the training data or adjust the prompt to make it clearer. Step 4. Deploy your AI agent. Once you're happy with its performance, you can integrate it into a website, app, or messaging platform. Tools like Flask or Django can help you create a simple web interface for your chatbot, or you can use platforms like Telegram or Slack to deploy it as a messaging bot. And that's it. You've just built your first AI agent. It's a simple start, but the possibilities are endless. You can expand its capabilities, train it on more data, or even integrate it with other systems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. And if you build your own AI agent, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it.